Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the essentials, now act. Open VS Code, install the Python and Jupyter extensions if not present, then select the Python interpreter you want to use. Make sure the interpreter points to the environment with the packages you need. Once set, open the command palette and choose Python. Create new blank notebook. This creates an untitled IPNB in the editor. Save it immediately to a project folder so relative paths and kernel detection work reliably. Once your notebook is open, click the kernel picker at top right and choose the environment you prepared. If it's missing, add the environment as a kernel with ipykernel. Install libraries using the terminal tied to that interpreter, pip install or conda install, so cells run deterministically. You can create cells, run them with Shift plus Enter, and reorder outputs. Make sure workspace settings point to your project folder and adjust notebook-specific settings for linting, autosave, and formatter behavior so collaboration and reproducibility stay. Finish by running run all to validate the notebook end-to-end. Save and create a checkpoint. Export to Python script or HTML for sharing or CI consumption. If cells won't execute, restart the kernel, reselect the interpreter, and check the terminal for errors. Make sure ipykernel is installed in that environment. If the kernel still fails, reinstall the Python extension, reload VS Code, or recreate the virtual environment. These steps
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.